I saw this integral on YouTube, and I have a much easier way to do it. I would like to show with you. Here, I just use rather conventional way, the no sophisticated method. I let theta be arctangent 1 over x. So 1 over x is a tangent theta, right? So x is equal to cotangent theta, and dx is equal to d cotangent x, theta. So my integral becomes, this will be theta square, d cotangent theta. Right? And when x equal to 0, this is half pi. When this is infinity, then this is 0. Right? Okay, now I switch this one using negative, right? It looks better from 0 to half pi, and theta square d cotangent theta. So I can use by parts u dv. So this is equal to u times v, 0 to half pi, minus become plus 0 to half pi, and u dv, right? This is 2 theta and the cotangent theta d theta. Yeah. Now this this one is a theta times theta cosine theta over sine theta, right? That is cotangent. Now, when theta is half pi, no problem. This is 0. This is 1. So whole thing is 0. When theta is equal to 0, approaching to 0, then this is approaching to 1. This approaching to 1. This is approaching to 0. So the whole thing is 0. So that means this is 0. And this one I can use by parts again. See, this becomes 2 now I have to prepare for by parts. This one is equal to 2 theta, and this is plus 2 theta. Cotangent d theta is a d log sine theta. Right. Sorry, this is the integral sine. Okay. So I can use by parts again. This is a 2 uv, right? Theta times log sine theta from 0 to half pi minus v du. V is this. Du is d theta. So log sine theta d theta from 0 to half pi. Now this one I use the limit again. This is when theta is a half pi, this is 1, this is 0, no problem. When theta is approaching to 0, this is infinity, this is 0. So I can write this one log sine over 1 over sine, right? Just prepare for L'Hopital's rule. So when theta approaches 0, this is infinity, this is infinity. I take the derivative, which is equal to cosine theta over sine theta, right? This will be negative 1 over 2 theta squared. So this one is approaching to theta times cosine theta times sine theta. When theta is approaching to 0, this is approaching to 1, this is approaching to 1, this is approaching to 0. So whole thing is 0. So this is 0. Minus 2 times this integral. Now this integral, I have a video to do this integral. I'm not repeating here, but rather use the result. And if you want to see detail, the linkage is below. You can see the video showing this integral, which is equal to minus half pi over log 2. So the whole thing becomes pi log 2. That is the result for this integral. It's a much easier using conventional method by parts of substitution and so on. Okay, this integral now you can see the video in detail equal to this result. The linkage is below. And thank you for your watching.